Class is so boring today, and the bell won't ring for a while. And now, let's have a test, girls. A test? That's too much. You can't have quizzes on Monday. That's not fair. What if... Watch and learn, girls. There's going to be a little storm. Fasten your seatbelts, Mr. Alex. Well done, Lily. You don't mess with air. Fire has an idea too, girls. Ready? Okay. Then let's start the fire show. Fly, baby! Girls, focus! Something is burning. Or someone. Mr. Alex, sit still, okay? Earth doesn't want to write a test either. And water has the last word. Chill out, Mr. Alex. Cold showers are so invigorating, right? Detention! Why did Mr. Alex like the prank? It was fun. Let's start the test. You can begin. You are messing with the wrong people, Mr. Alex. Go, Megan. That's a job for you. Okay, the time was stopped. And since the test is canceled, let's build cabins under the desks. This is going to be interesting. Jane's cabin will be water style and more blue. And let's start with the walls. Put up wallpaper and we're done. Anyone can do it. And it would be nice to have a waterfall here. That's easy. Tulle will make gorgeous waves. Fasten the fabric to the wall. And perhaps add some lights. Wow! A magical design! How are you, girls? Bubbles! That's what's missing! Action! There will be lots and lots of bubbles on the wall, like the bottom of the sea. It looks amazing! Sea waves! How could I forget? I forgot the decor! We'll fix that! That's better! There's no such thing as bad weather in this sea kingdom. What will Lucy come up with? It's kind of dark under the table. It's time to add plants to this space. And you definitely need grass. That's soft, but the wall is no good. Too hard. I know, there will be vines here. The green room is coming together. What about the side walls? That's easy. Flower vines will do the job. The room will be so colorful. Just don't go anywhere, guys. You live here now. And the partitions will be wooden, simple and eco-friendly. Lucy did a great job. So, what time is it? We definitely need a clock here. Let's make one. What a stylish eco decor. The fire room will have a very hot design. Bright colors should rule here. And let's start with a light fire. It couldn't be brighter. But that's not all. Add a little red. This is so fiery. It's getting hotter under the table. We need more light. Wow. That came out flawless. But it's not enough. More fire. Megan can do it. A wall of fire is oh so stylish. And there's real lava on the floor. And the final touch. Lucy, I'm here. How are you? Wow. Let the fire magic begin. Turn on the lights. Under Megan's desk is a fire shelter. The only thing missing is a crown. And Lily will have a light interior. It should be super fluffy. Let's add some softness to the secret room. This rug is like a cloud. Dark walls? No way. We should make them lighter. Done. Just needs a little breeze. Lily will fix that. It looks so breezy. Wonderful. But there's still a lot of work to be done. These walls need to be covered. A white cloth will fix everything. That looks nice. We need to hang the silver decorations. It will flutter in the wind. Garlands. Here we go. The stars fit perfectly into the airy interior. And you can't go anywhere without decor. Lily has a couple of interesting ideas. Now this is heavenly. The houses are ready, and they are so different. Anyone want to go down to the seabed or go up into the clouds? How about looking into the crater of a volcano? And the sun always shines in the flowery corner. Jane has an idea. We should make this room brighter with a table lamp. But first, decorations. Insert the bulb. It's on. So bright. Let's fasten the lampshade to the stand. And we need wire. We connect the parts. It's done. But it would not hurt to add a little water. The result is a mini waterfall of tulle. And let's lay out the sea treasures on the stand. Creativity flows like a waterfall. And Megan has a hot plan. The Volcano Queen needs a crown. Let's cut it out of shiny foam paper. And now let's create mini lights. Decorate the crown. And look! Megan aced it. It's time to become a fire queen. She's the boss. The clowns are so cozy. But Lily has an idea. And that's where the balloon comes in. Inflate it. You can put the balloon away for now. Take a paper cup and drinking straws. Glue the straws to the cup and put the balloon on top. And now we decorate the balloon with paper garlands, for example. And now you can fly. But we need sweet fuel. Marshmallows are fine. There you go. Adventures away. The flowers seem a little bored. They need new neighbors. And Lucy knows what to do. We will need empty bulbs here. Let's make mini vases out of them. Glue twine to the bulbs and tie up the ends. And now we fill the vases with water. The houses for the new flowers are ready. You will be comfortable here. It turned out so natural. Eco-style in all its glory. The airy house is beautiful, but it's kind of boring. It's time for a housewarming party. Lucy, come visit me. Oops, the weather is getting bad. It's a windy invitation from Lily. On my way, friend. Hurry up, Lucy. I have a very interesting place.
Wow.
It's great what you've done with the place, Lily. The clouds, just your style. Lucy, you haven't seen my balloon yet. Look at that. It's beautiful and delicious. What a sweet girl's night. What could be better? Megan is happy to have guests too. Make yourself comfortable, Jane. It's so hot in here. I did my best. Stop. Something's wrong. Jane, you are going to put out my fire. Fire and water don't get along under the same roof. Oh, my goodness. Megan, I have to go home now. Oh, Jane, I am so sorry. Building secret rooms is exhausting. How about a little nap? I won't be long, girls. Lily has the airiest dreams. And now she's going to ruin everyone's weather. Somebody stop the wind. The sea is rough. There's a storm coming. Lucy's cabin is in bad weather, too. Stop it, Lily. The fire is going to have a hard time, too. Lily, stop. The wind is awake after all. Sorry, I won't do it again. Who's hungry? Let's start the tea ceremony. We can do it together. The water is already in place. You can pass the kettle on. Special tea for best friends. This will be delicious. All that's left is to heat the water. Let's do it, Megan. The fire can easily handle it. Your turn, Lily. My pleasure, girl. Stirring the tea with a light breeze. And done! What a great tea party! Delicious! We have a problem! Mr. Alex is getting close. Red alert! Will we have to study again? Oh, come on! All right, I'm out. The friends are already there. I hope the teacher doesn't notice anything. How's the test going, girls?
What?
What's the time? Must be broken. You win. The test is canceled for today. We are going to study a new topic. Did you see our new channel, Teen Times? The heroes get in the most hilarious and impossible situations. Follow the link in the description and subscribe.